could make a video which implies that our product will help you slow down or solve all of your problems, but won't that be a load of horse shit? We combined a worry stone, spinning button, clicker, and slider into what we at Dan Designs would like to think of as pocket art. With the keychain hole, Oasis can help you annoy others all day, every day. Built with premium materials and to the highest standards, Oasis will be your one-stop fidget fix for years to come.
Eating should be fun, right? But have you ever tried to lose weight, build strong muscles, or just keep the pounds off while still enjoying every meal? It's annoying to keep track of your diet. So what if there was a way to keep track of all your meals without any extra effort? Meet Nutrio. Nutrio is the first smart cutting board that can scan and track anything you eat instantly. You just put it on and boom, you get all the nutritional facts based on its weight, and you can save everything to your food diary in no time. Leveraging its revolutionary high-precision sensors and artificial intelligence, Nutrio can detect every food you can imagine. Nutrio also has integrated barcode recognition, allowing you to track packaged food in an instant. So if you're ever in a hurry, you can quickly scan your snacks, tap to save, and you're good to go. When you're preparing a nice dinner and you need to keep the ingredients such as fish or meat separate from your vegetables, Nutrio comes with interchangeable cutting boards. They're allowing you to prepare, scan, and track different ingredients without delay. To access all that helpful data, just use Aurora Lighthouse. It's the only app you've ever needed to quickly get accurate nutritional information and keep track of your diet. Need to do meal prep? Nutrio allows you to track all your typical kitchen containers, so whether you're preparing meals or just storing ingredients, you're always on top of your diet. Eating healthy and staying in shape was never easier. Thanks to Nutrio, the AI revolution in your kitchen.
Meet the Circle Phone 4G LTE Android. Everyone has a rectangular phone. How about a circle? My name is Christina Sear, and I am CEO of the Circle Phone. We plan on reinventing smartphones and the concept of smartphones so they are more comfortable in your life, more comfortable in your hand, more comfortable in your pocket, and more comfortable on your eyes. The Circle Phone has a beautiful 800 by 800 display, not only the 4G LTE and Android, but also the dual headphone jacks, dual SIM card slots, dual USB.
New features include an open source enclosure, a 13 megapixel selfie camera, NFC circuitry, freeform mode, and a temperature sensor.
Up till now, we've only had rectangular smartphones, but we can have so much more. If we can get the phone into more and more hands, people can actually experience how wonderful it feels in the hand. Please back us today so that you may receive the Circle Phone 4G LTE Android, and that we may continue to make non-rectangular phones for non-rectangular people.
Setting up the Power Roller system is simple and quick. Simply open your can of pre-mixed paint and tightly place the Wagner paint can lid on the can. Place the paint can on the base and secure the tab to lock it in place. Insert the suction tube until the tube reaches the bottom of the can. Then, press the quick-release tabs on the handle and attach the 9-inch roller arm assembly for painting or the 3-inch Smart Edge roller assembly for tape-free edging. Make sure the roller arm snaps in place. When you want to paint the ceilings, Wagner recommends using the 3/4-inch nap roller for uneven or textured surfaces or for a more stippled effect. First, release the roller from the arm. Pull off the roller cap and push out the roller core. Reassemble the core and cap onto the 9 by 3/4-inch nap roller, which is included in the box. Use the spatter shield to prevent overhead drips and attach the 18-inch extension arm for added reach. Plug in the power cord and you're ready to go.